Welcome to Study Loop.
So we have an electric heater that has a power pH of 1500 watts, right? So we plugged it into a circuit that has a EMF source of V equals to 120 volt, and the maximum current that can flow in the circuit, that is the current breaker, is 820 amperes. So I max equals to 20 amperes, right? So uh, So what should be the hairdryer power settings such that while increasing that the circuit breaker strips? Okay, so let's find out what should be the power of the dryer. So P max is equal to power due to the hair in the heater plus power due to dryer. Okay, now what is the maximum power? That is the maximum current into the voltage is equal to Ph plus Pd. Now Imax is equal to 20 and V equals to 120 equals to Ph is 1500 plus power of the dryer. Okay. So power of dryer should be equal to 2400 minus 1500, that is 900 watts. So when the power of dryer is 900 watts, maximum current flows through, right? So that is 20 amperes. So the circuit breaks. All right. So the dryer was it switched it the 900 watt settings. 900 watt setting. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching.